Well, my wife has told me in no uncertain terms that this winter I'm to get out of the house. Go to your shop, she said. Get a project. Just get out from under my feet. So if I want to last till spring, I better find something to do. Now I'm a boat builder. I built canoe, paddleboard, kayak, sailboat, dinghy. I think I want a boat project. Well, I saw some fabulous boats in the Opera Cup Day Parade. Maybe I can get inspiration from one of them. Wow, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? The problem is, I don't have enough friends where I could possibly crew her. Oh well. Here's another. Won't fit in my shop. Wouldn't be able to get it in or out without taking a wall down. Oh, I know. Oh, look at these beetle cats. The rainbow fleet. Hi, perfect. And I know exactly where I can find one. Say, Oli, it's John. Yeah. Say, you know that beetle cat that's sitting out behind your garage that Mary's been trying to get you to get rid of for the past decade or so? Yeah, I think I might have a home for it. Yes, right. Right here in my shop. You will? Why, thanks. I'll be over with some friends to pick it up. Thanks, bye. This boat is somewhere between Firewood and boat. Okay, this is the great unveil. Yeah. Boy. This boat has its problems, I'll have to admit. Will you quit cackling? I'm not even sure it's firewood. Will this shit burn? No, it just needs to be cleaned up. It just needs to be cleaned up. We got the thing on a trailer.
Once you got it in the shop.
What's that?
It'll be easy to take apart.
Yeah, it'll be easy to take apart. It's already apart right now. Here we are. Is that what I lost?
I think so. Either that or it's a coincidence that this was lying in the road when we all stopped on Liberty. I don't see anything missing though.
Unless it's from the deck.
That's the wrong shape.
No, that's the wrong
It's
shape.
just a
That's just a
coincidence.
board, yeah. And thank you, gentlemen.
We'll be back next week to move it out.
No, it'll come out in pieces. Okay, well, we've done a preliminary inspection, looked at the outside. Doesn't look all that great, frankly. But we really won't know whether this boat is salvageable until we start to take it apart. So I'm going to start by taking the planks off one by one and inspecting each plank for cracks, for holes, for rot, what have you. It's an important first step. And if the planks are okay and the frames underneath it are solid, then there's a possibility that we can make this thing work. Well, this is definitely allowed to look good. First of all, I can't get the galvanized, oh, look at this. You can see
This frame is, all these frames are totally split. Man, there's more shit in here. I'm sorry, folks. I don't think this boat is salvageable. It looks like the solution to all of my problems here is a Sawzall. Like I said, this project was titled Twixt Firewood and Boat. There she be, one former boat, off to a new future.
Well, the boat's gone to boat heaven. And I'm left without a project. And a wife. I hope I make it through the winter. I need another project. Help!